I couldn't get an agent to save my life. Always some kind of excuse. But as I'm learning the business more, I understand now. But after I did the 3-episode arc on Young and the Restless, that opened up the door. And then I went through a breakup. Girlfriend broke up with me, which is fine. But that ended up being one of the biggest blessings ever, because like I was trying to prove to myself that I wasn't a loser. No, she didn't call me a loser at all. But I was just trying to prove to myself that I wasn't a loser. So instead of me, and then like trying to hide being upset, I was like, you know what? I'm going to put all this effort into my acting. And I was performing at, open mic nights. And that's where I was discovered by so many, I think 20 people in the casting community saw me perform at open mic night. And I ended up getting called in from them. And I ended up booking so far with 19 of them, 19 out of 20. So that's a blessing. And that's where my foundation came from with acting in LA. And then